India's participation in the AI Action Summit in Paris, co-chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, highlights the country's growing influence in global AI governance. India is co-chairing the AI governance theme alongside France and Canada, emphasizing its leadership in shaping AI policy, ethics, and regulation. This comes after India's active involvement in previous AI summits in the United Kingdom and South Korea, reinforcing its commitment to ethical AI development. The summit provides a platform for India to promote key initiatives, such as the Rs 10,371 crore India AI mission, which focuses on AI accessibility and innovation. The mission aims to build essential AI infrastructure, develop indigenous AI models, and enhance public welfare in sectors like education, healthcare, and governance. India is also pushing for greater AI accessibility for developing nations, ensuring equitable benefits for all countries. India's role as co-chair of the summit allows it to advance the priorities of the Global South, focusing on equitable AI access, context-specific solutions, and tailored safety measures. This strengthens India's position as a bridge between the global North and South in AI governance. Successfully co-chairing the summit could also position India to host future summits, fostering international cooperation, supporting AI startups, and shaping policies that drive responsible AI growth. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's presence at the summit underscores India's ambition to attract investment and further develop its AI ecosystem. As part of the India AI mission, India plans to announce a homegrown AI model in the next 10 months and is building the infrastructure with over 18,000 GPUs. While India currently lacks a comprehensive AI law, recent reports show the government's intent to create a balanced regulatory framework that fosters both innovation and rights protection. The second India-France AI Policy Roundtable, held as a side event, will further strengthen ties between the two nations, focusing on global AI policies and collaboration.